Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a super easy and simple iced coffee and it will be dairy free. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is the instant coffee that I'll be using. You can use the one you prefer. If you have a coffee machine, go ahead and use it. I'm only going to use about a tablespoon of coffee. I don't want it super strong, but it was definitely strong enough. Add your hot water, stir it up. You guys know how this goes. You stir it up. I decided to use almond milk because that's what I had available in the house, as well as I'm trying to make better choices, which is why I'm using the almond milk. Alright, so I put the coffee in a plastic cup so it could be easier for me to pour. This is my maple extract that I'm going to use to add extra flavor. So you want to sweeten your coffee to your liking. I used about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I didn't want it super sweet. And I added my maple extract as well. Mix that up. And then you're going to pour it in your mason jar, your cup filled with ice, nice and cold. And then you're going to add your almond milk or whatever milk you use. Look how delicious this looks, number one. My mouth is watering. And I didn't have to go outside and get it. I can make it myself in the safety of my own home. Mix that up just like this. I had a straw laying around, so I popped it in there. But it's definitely optional. Hey guys, so I have my coffee here. Yum. Oh. I already took a sip, but first let me say that maple extract, I didn't think it would have any flavor in here because it's not an actual syrup. I didn't have to go nowhere to get it. It's nice and cold and refreshing. I ain't got to worry about gas because it's dairy free. If you're a granny like me, you know what's up. Okay, I'm not a granny, but you guys know what I'm saying. If you're lactose intolerant. Now, originally I wanted to call this recipe vegan, but after some research, I realized that regular sugar, granulated sugar, is not vegan. Vegan because of how they process it. So I'm just gonna keep it cute and call it dairy free because I don't need y'all vegans attacking me. And yeah, I decided to add this little maple extract because I found it in a grocery store some time ago, way back, and I finally found a use for it. So I'm going to put that right down in there as y'all saw me do. I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye you guys.